Hi guys, this is Bilal and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Billionaire. I hope you are making a lot of profit from the market because yes, I did make a lot of profit from the market yesterday on Friday 2nd February after the news of NFP, and I will show you how I make profit from the market. So in near future, before the news, you can take your positions and you can make a lot of profit from the market. I make 10,000 US dollars yesterday on Friday. I make 10,000 US dollars from the market. I will show you how. But before the start of the video, I would request you to subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video as well. And I have given all the links in the description if you want to start trading, if you want to make account. I have some recommended brokers. You can go click the link and make your account as well, and like our social media channels as well. Okay, so I will show you now how I make a lot of profit yesterday. Traders, here you can see this is a chart of Euro USD for our time frame. I did my analysis last week and I post that on TradingView as well, and I will show you my analysis which I did last week. So you can see this was the position I took before NFP news, non-farm payrolls news, and I was thinking that USD will boost up and the market against USD will go down, and exactly that's what happened. I took my trade from here, the sell position. I put my stop loss like 40 pips above my entry, and risk reward ratio was around 1 by 3.72, and you can see my target has hit now. I will show you the proof as well because I did this all analysis on 27th January, like last week. So I was well prepared for this entry level, and this was the thing which I made, and I did all the analysis on 27th January, and you can see here the market was an up channel, and I knew that market will go down because it was making higher highs, and once market break down this channel it will make a low, and after that market will go down to its support level. And here you can see I can show you as well, there is 200 EMA, like 200 moving average, and market can hit this moving average. So until this point market can go down, and further downside market might hit this support level as well, 712 to 725 level. So this is the level from where market can go and reverse up. So this was the entry, the sell entry which I took before the news, and I got around 3,500 profit from this trade alone. Now I will show you my next trade which I took on Friday, and I will show you the proof of that as well on my TradingView at what date I paused that analysis. And I will show you the proof of this trade as well on which date I post that analysis on TradingView. So traders, this is the second trade which I took on Friday night before the news of NFP, and I took a sell position in the gold as well because the gold was way overbought in 4 hour, 1 hour and 1 week time frame. That's why I was hoping for a major correction until the major support level. So I draw this the last week on 27 January. I post my idea on the TradingView as well. I will show you on TradingView as well. And I was hoping other two scenarios. The scenario number one was it break this major resistance and will hit the upper trend line of the up channel. That was my first idea, that it will go up from there, and you can see this is the 27th January idea. So I was hoping that it will go up from this major resistance and hit the upper trend line, and it will reverse back and retest this lower trend line, and then will go back to the major support where 200 EMA moving average was waiting for it. So that was my idea number one, scenario one. The second scenario was it will pull back from this major resistance, break this lower trend line and further go down. So I was waiting for either side breakdown. Yes, it did a breakdown, but it is a tweezer bottom, like it is a fake breakout. So after this market go up and almost hit the upper trend line. That was the point where I took my sell position, and my stop loss was few pips above this trend line, because if it breaks and it will go up, it can go a lot of it has a lot of room to go up. So that was the ideal stop loss, so I can keep my stop loss lower. So that was an ideal stop loss. I put my stop loss above this upper trend line, few pips above this upper trend line, and my target was the lower trend line, because I have to wait for the break of lower trend line to take another position. So my first position in gold was, once it hit the upper trend line, I took the trade of sell position. But my stop loss was above this upper trend line, and my take profit was exactly the touching of lower trend line. And once it breaks, I took another position here and I sold it again. Here you can see, and I put my stop loss above this lower trend line, because now it becomes the resistance for the market. And my take profit, the target was with a ratio of 1/3, the major support level below the 200 EMA, because once market breaks 50 EMA, here you can see there is larger chances that market will go to the 200 EMA. So that was the second trade. I took two trades in gold, so I went 2000, 1500 and 2000 respectively in both trades. Now I will show you the third one, GBP USD trade, which I took on Friday. Here you can see this is the chart of GBP USD. I just show you my trades, and this was the chart which I published on tradingview.com on January 29, 2023. You can see an exact analysis which I post that market will go down to the neckline, and after the break of the neckline, the market will retest it, and after possible retest, the market will go down further. So here trader, this is my second analysis of gold for our time frame, which I posted on tradingview.com on January 27, 2023. Means last week I posted this, exactly the same which I took the trade. Approximately I took the trade from 56, 57 area. That was the scenario one, which I told you that I will took the trade of sell position, and my stop loss was above this upper trend line, and my target was around 70, which I showed you that it will be my target. So this was analysis which I post 6 days before the news. So traders, this is the analysis of Euro USD which I posted on January 27. Here you can see I posted this chart pattern on TradingView. There was a chart pattern of channel up. Here you can see I posted this idea the market will go down to 770 to the major support. Yes, market got bit up and hit the upper trend line, and from there the market goes down and it almost reaches the target of this support level 770. I show you on TradingView as well that I posted these ideas way before the news as well. So if you got the knowledge, if you learn from this market, if you learn about the technical analysis, the impact of news on market, you can do this type of pro trading as well. I hope you like this video, and if you want to earn 10,000 US dollars or more in a single day, you have to learn this market. You have to have patience in yourself. You have to control your greed factor. You have to control your nerves. And then the big question, after all these things, you have control on all your emotions. What type of knowledge you have about the market? So you need to get continued knowledge about the market, because the market moves so fast. So you have to be fast with the market, but trade with cool mind, trade with patience, and market will reward you.